Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is matter around us pure. In previous chapter we have discussed matter, physical states of matter, properties of matter, interconversion of states of matter. So next chapter is matter around us pure. So simply matter can be divided into two type of substances. First is pure substances and second is so matter is classified into two types, pure substances and impure substances. So what is the criteria to define matter in two types? So pure substance is that substance that contains only one type of particle. The substance that contains only one type of particle, that substance is said to be pure substance. Now this particle can be atom or molecule. Particle can be atom or a molecule. So substances contain only one type of atoms or one type of molecules are said to be pure substances. All the elements are pure substances. For example, we have sodium. Sodium consists of only one type of atom, that is sodium atoms. For example, we have salt, NaCl. Sodium chloride consists of only one type of molecule. There is no another molecule. So particle can be atom or a molecule. Another example can be all elements, metals, non-metals. They are said to be pure substances. There is a definite contribution of only one type of atom or one type of molecule. And opposite of it we have impure substances. Impure substances are simply formed by the combination of pure substances. If we mix the pure substances, then a mixture is formed. Mixture is always a impure substance. So impure substance is also known as a mixture, and this mixture is formed by the combination or by the simply addition of pure substances. So it contains more than one type of particle. So if a substance is having more than one type of particle, that substance is impure substance or that is a mixture, right? For example, salt solution. If we add salt in water, now salt is a pure substance and water is also a pure substance. So by the addition of salt and water, we will get a mixture. So how impure substances are formed? By the addition of pure substances. So its example is salt water. Now this mixture is further classified into two types. Homogeneous mixture and a heterogeneous mixture. Further, mixture is divided into two categories, two types. First is homogeneous mixture and second is a heterogeneous mixture. So what is the criteria again? A mixture is said to be homogeneous if components are easily miscible, mean one particles of one component mix with the other component easily. So if components are easily miscible, mixture contains particles or components, and those components are miscible with each other, means they dissolve with each other, uniform composition, that mixture is called a homogeneous mixture. Opposite of it, heterogeneous mixture. A mixture is said to be heterogeneous if components are not miscible. Components are not miscible, means they will not mix with each other. In simply, we define homogeneous mixture: if particles mix with each other, then a homogeneous mixture is formed. If particles do not mix with each other, then a heterogeneous mixture is formed. Homogeneous mixture is called solution. Homogeneous mixture is called solution. So solution is always homogeneous in nature. Solution is a homogeneous mixture. And heterogeneous mixtures, examples are suspension and colloids. So heterogeneous mixture is of two types, or two examples are there: suspension and colloids. In suspension and in colloids, particles will not mix with each other, but in solution, particles will mix with each other. So solution is a homogeneous mixture, but suspension and colloids, they are a heterogeneous mixture. In next video, we will discuss everything in detail. That is the introduction part of second chapter, is matter around us pure. How matter is classified? It is classified to two substances, pure versus impure. Criteria of pure is it must contain only one type of particle. Criteria of impure substance is it contain more than one type of particle. So we can say impure substance is a combination of pure substance. So if we add pure substances, we will get impure substances. Our impure substances is also known as a mixture. Further, mixture is classified into two types: homogeneous versus heterogeneous. If particles mix with each other, then that is homogeneous. If particles do not mix with each other, then that is a heterogeneous mixture. Right? So that is the introduction of chapter 2, is matter around us pure. Quite easy. I hope you would understand it.